What's up, guys? Justin here with TheSketchUpEssentials.com, back with another SketchUp extension overview for you. So this week I am super excited because I finally get to start covering extensions from Chuck Vali. So for those of you that don't know, Chuck Vali runs Vali Architecture, which is a website that contains a lot of different SketchUp extensions that are really great for architectural functions. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Instant Fence and Railing, a very powerful extension from Chuck Vali for creating railings and fences within your models. But before we get started, I want to thank my newest supporters on Patreon. So big thank you to Donald Clark, Michael Romo, Mark Amon, Charmian Webster, Mark Myers, Steve Innes, David Beckwith, Thomas Schoenborn, Jim Hester, and John Arborio. So Patreon, as most of you know, is the website where you can support creators that you like on YouTube. One of the perks of being a supporter for this channel is you get to vote on the extension video that I cover every week, or the extension video that I make every week. So if that's something you're interested in, maybe you're interested in supporting the show, voting on the extensions every week, make sure you check that out down in the links down below. Now let's go ahead and just jump into it. Plugin name, Instant Fence and Rail. Plugin developer, Chuck Vali. Plugin cost, it's $26 a year. Where can you get it? You can download it from Chuck Vali's website, valiarchitects.com, or by visiting the link in the notes below. Tool functions. Occasionally, I come across a tool where I'm not sure I can do it justice by doing a short intro video. That's basically the case with every single one of Chuck Vali's extensions, but I'm going to try to give a quick overview that still covers a lot of the functions. Basically, this extension is designed to help you create fences and railings within SketchUp. It actually allows you to create many different kinds of fences and railings, including wood and metal fences, stair rails, handrails, highway dividers, power lines, and much more. It actually comes with a library of approximately 300 preset styles, and you can also edit and create your own. The way it works is fairly intuitive. Select a group path, activate the extension, and it will generate a fence based on a style that you select. It can follow both straight and curved paths. Many of the assemblies created allow you to select which direction they face as well. One of the things I really like about this extension is that it'll drop your fences along a face. Even if you draw a straight line between points on a sandbox face, you can see that it drops the fence automatically down so that it follows the face. It pairs well with another of Chuck's extensions, Instant Stair, for creation of many different kinds of railings within your stairs. You can also adjust the parameters of the different fencing pieces that are created. So everything from if your object actually gets dropped on terrain, all the way through spacing and a ton of other options as well. If you're interested, I can create a video about more of the settings and possibilities of Instant Fence. I'm sure I'll be covering it more on the channel in the future. That being said, this is easily the most robust fence and rail extension that I've played around with. I know you're going to ask, I wouldn't compare it to Profile Builder because they're really designed to do fundamentally different things. Profile Builder allows you to create smart profiles for just about anything you want, while this extension is specifically designed for fences and railings, and it's very good at it. So it really depends on what you're trying to do. So that's where I'm going to end this video. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought. Have you used Chuck Vali's extensions before? Do you have some cool ideas for what you could do with this? I just love having that SketchUp conversation with you guys. If you like this video, please remember to click that like button down below. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new SketchUp content every week. If you like what I'm doing in this channel, please consider supporting me on Patreon. Every little bit helps, even if it's only $1 a month. So make sure you check out that link in the notes down below. But in any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this. I really appreciate it, and I will catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.